Hello, and thank you for joining us for another in-depth, but easy-to-follow top vacuum cleaner recommendation list. We know that you live a busy life and don't have the time to dedicate to searching for the best vacuums on the market, which is why we did it for you. Our team at Show Homestyle have spent countless hours researching and analyzing the top 100 vacuum cleaners available on the market today. And we've also scrutinized many customer reviews to bring you the best vacuum cleaners this year. Our final rankings are based on the type of vacuum, quality, practicality, and value for money. If you choose from our recommended list of models, you can be sure that you're buying a great vacuum. Please make sure to check out the product links in the description below to find the best value for money deals available today. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. The Shark HV301 Robot Vacuum. The Shark HV301 Ultra Robot Vacuum is equipped with a slew of impressive features designed to make your cleaning routine a breeze. Its powerful suction picks up dirt and debris on all floor types, tackling even the toughest of messes in your home. With Matrix Clean navigation, the vacuum cleans in a precise matrix grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris. The bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris, while its true HEPA filtration captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. The robot is capable of up to 120 minutes of runtime for whole home cleaning, and when the battery is low, the robot will return to the dock, recharge, and can pick up where it left off. Check out the link in the description below for more information and how to buy. Number 4. Dyson V11 Torque Drive Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson V11 is engineered for whole home, deep cleaning. It intelligently optimizes suction and runtime across all floor types. The battery provides up to 60 minutes of runtime, and the high-torque cleaner head automatically adapts suction and power to deep clean different floor types without needing changed. Advanced whole machine filtration traps 99.99% of particles, dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. It includes a mini motorized tool and quickly and easily converts to a handheld for removing pet hair from upholstery and tight spaces. Check out the link in the description below for more information and how to buy. Number 3. Shark HV301 Rotator Professional Lift-Away Vacuum. Shark HV301 features a detachable pod for cleaning under furniture and handheld nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, furniture, and stairs. It has anti-allergen complete seal technology, which works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner, with advanced swivel steering and powerful headlight. You can easily maneuver your vacuum to get in and out of tight spaces such as corners and around furniture. The Shark HV301 Rotator also has a wide cleaning path, which helps remove pet hair, dust, and large debris from mattresses, couches, curtains, lampshades, and other delicate upholstered surfaces. Check out the link in the description below for more information and how to buy. Number 2. Shark HV301 Rocket Ultralight Vacuum. The Shark Rocket never loses suction or power and cleans, as well as an upright without all the extra weight. Swivel steering provides the ultimate control to get in and around obstacles and furniture. It quickly and easily cleans bare floors, rugs, and carpets. The lightweight versatility of this vacuum allows for floor-to-ceiling cleaning, and the slim design is also great for cleaning under furniture. Use the wand to reach high above or between narrow spaces and the handheld like a hand vac to clean stairs and furniture. This corded vacuum is portable and easy to store and includes a crevice tool, pet hair tool, and dusting brush. Check out the link in the description below for more information and how to buy. Number 1. BISSELL 2252 CleanView Pet Vacuum. This highly rated pet vacuum is sold more than 10,000 times per month on Amazon and has an average rating of 4.6 stars. Swivel steering makes cleaning around furniture and other obstacles easy. It has a triple action brush roll to loosen, lift, and remove embedded pet hair from your carpets and rugs. The dirt tank is easy to empty and opens at the bottom with the press of a button, so cleaning up after your pets is quick and mess-free. It also comes with specialized pet tools, which include the turbo eraser for easily cleaning stairs, upholstery, and beds. Check out the link in the description below for more information and how to buy. So there you have it, folks. The BISSELL 2252 CleanView is our top-rated vacuum 2023, and you can buy it today from Amazon. With its versatile design, reliable performance, and value-packed features, it's no wonder this vacuum is earning its stripes in the cleaning world. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dusty corners, or general messes, this powerhouse has your back. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy cleaning!